I'm going to show you how to deposit money into Binance. So first you want to open up the Binance app and make sure you're signed into your account. Now just click on the add funds for the first option. And from here, from the top right, you want to select the fiat currency that you want to use. So for example, USD, and then click on deposit USD. This is the first option. And this option is going to allow you to buy directly from Binance. You can choose bank transfer or card or Google Pay. So for example, I'm going to pick Google Pay, continue, and then specify the amount I want to buy, for example, $500. And this only will give me $483 of currency that I can use. Click on pay and confirm the payment. Now, once you confirm the payment, this should give you money into your Binance wallet, not actual crypto. Then you will need to go to the wallet and use that money to actually buy crypto such as Ethereum, USDT, or or Bitcoin or whatever. The second option is to use on-chain deposit. So for example, click on add funds and then on-chain deposit this time. From here, select the crypto that you want to deposit, for example, Bitcoin, and then select whatever network you're trying to use. Now copy this address and go to your other crypto wallet and paste this address and just send funds to it. And this should automatically credit the funds to your account once they're confirmed. Usually it takes about 6 confirmations to credit the funds. And the last way to deposit is to use the P2P service. Click on P2P here, switch to the buy tab, and from here select the currency that you want to use and just buy from other Binance members crypto. You will basically click on the buy here, select the amount that you want to pay, for example, $500. You will receive this amount here, which tells you, and then you should pay the seller with this payment method, which is Wise. They support multiple payment methods, such as bank transfers, Wise, or digital wallets. Now, be careful here because there is quite a lot of scams going on. So once you start the order and you pay the seller, immediately mark it as paid and have a proof of payment ready. And once the seller confirms, they usually credit you the amount, and the amount should be transferred directly to your account or wallet. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.